Hello guys, I'm Meet Sony. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is honestly one of the best videos for software engineers because all three opportunities from companies that almost every developer knows. The first company is Autodesk, whose software is used by millions of engineers, designers and manufacturers across the world. And second one is from IISc Bangalore, where you will actually work on AI, LLMs and prompt engineering. And third one is from Navtech, and they are hiring React developers for 1 plus year of experienced candidates. So if you're a fresher or an early career developer, don't skip this video because I will explain everything. Now let's start with the first opportunity. The first company is Autodesk and they are hiring for the role of software development engineer. Autodesk develops software that used by architects, mechanical engineers, civil engineers, game developers, and manufacturing companies across the globe. This opportunity is based in Bangalore. It's a full-time hybrid role and the company is looking for candidates with 0 to 1 year of experience. So fresh graduates and developers with a little industry experience both are eligible. Now let's understand what makes this role special. The position is part of Autodesk Identity and Access Management team. You will help build the system that securely manage user accounts, authentication, permissions, and cloud access for millions of Autodesk customers. These are production systems that developers all over the world depend on every single day. Now, what you will actually do? You will work as a part of an agile engineering team where you will contribute across backend development, front-end development, DevOps, and quality engineering. You will develop software features, monitor cloud services, troubleshoot production issues, improve existing applications, participate in code reviews, and collaborate closely with architects, product managers, and other software engineers. The company also wants you to write clean code, maintainable, secure, and scalable code while following best engineering practices. This is proper software engineer role where you will actually build real production systems. Also, the important thing is today is the last day to apply for this application. Coming to the required skills, Autodesk is open to developers who know languages like Java, Python, C Sharp, or Go. They also expect knowledge of REST APIs, OOPs, data structures and algorithms, database fundamentals, cloud computing basics, DevOps fundamentals, and good problem solving skills. If you already know Git, CI/CD pipelines, AWS, Azure, GCP, authentication system, or web application development, those become additional advantage. For eligibility, the company expects a bachelor's degree in CS, software engineering, or any other related technical field. One thing I personally like about Autodesk is the learning environment. You will receive mentorship from experienced engineers while working on cloud technology and distributed systems that serve millions of users worldwide. So, if your goal is to become a strong software engineer at a global product company, this opportunity should definitely be on your priorities. Now, let's move on to the second opportunity. This one is from ARTPARK at IISc Bangalore, and they are hiring AI ML engineers. Now, this opportunity is honestly one of the most exciting AI roles I have seen for freshers. ARTPARK is an innovation platform established at IISc Bangalore. The organization focuses on AI, robotics, deep tech, and real world research projects. So, if you are someone who wants to build a career in AI instead of only learning from online courses, this role is definitely worth checking out. This is a full time hybrid role based in Bangalore. The company is specifically hiring freshers, and employees follow a 5-day working schedule. Now, let's understand what you will actually do. Your primary responsibility won't be just training machine learning models. Instead, you will work extensively with large language models. You will design advanced prompts, evaluate AI responses, improve model quality, perform experiments, document your findings, and collaborate with researchers, software engineers, product teams, and data scientists. The company wants engineers who can continuously improve AI systems by testing different prompting strategies and understanding how LLMs behave in real world scenarios. This is exactly the kind of work many AI startups and research organizations are doing today. Coming to the required skills, they expect knowledge of LLMs, prompt engineering, machine learning, AI model evaluation, system thinking, experiment design, documentation, problem solving, and communication. If you have already explored techniques like React prompting, AI safety, model tuning, research projects, or prompt optimization, those becomes additional advantage. For eligibility, they expect candidates with a bachelor's degree or and relevant technical knowledge. The biggest benefit here is exposure. You will work on real AI systems while collaborating with multidisciplinary teams in one of the India's leading innovation ecosystem. So, if your long-term goal is Gen AI, LLM engineering, AI researcher, or machine learning or machine learning, this opportunity deserves your serious attention. Now let's move on to the third and final opportunity. The third company is Navtech and they are hiring React Native developers. Now this role is mainly for developers who enjoy building mobile applications. Navtech is a global software company delivering cloud-first solutions and digital transformation services to clients across the US, UK, and Europe. This is a full-time in-office role based in Hyderabad. Candidates with at least 1 year of experience can apply, and relocation support is also available if you are moving from another city. The salary ranges from around 4 to 8 LPA depending on your skills and experience. Now let's understand the work. You will build high performance mobile applications using React Native for both Android and iOS platforms. You will design application architecture, develop user interfaces, integrate REST APIs, connect third party libraries, debug issues, optimize application performance, write automated tests, review the code, and even support production applications after deployment. So you will experience the complete software development lifecycle instead of only front-end coding. Coming to the required skills, the company expects JavaScript, React.js, React Native, Redux, REST APIs, OOPS, debugging, and AWS basics. If you have already published applications to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or worked with offline storage, cloud tech, or open source projects, those become additional advantage. For education, the company expects a bachelor's or master's degree in CS, IT, software engineering, or another related technical field. The important thing is that not to apply randomly. Choose the internship that matches the career you are trying to build because relevant experience always have more value than simply collecting certifications. If this video helped you discover even one opportunity that matches your career goals, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. And if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. And remember something, your first internship does not have to be perfect, it just has to teach you something very valuable. Every project you build, every bug you solve, every technology you learn becomes another point you can confidently discuss during the future interviews. Alright, guys, that's it for today's video. All the application link are in the description box. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.